Chicken breast stuffed with spinach, feta, and artichokes. Chop the leek and fennel, warm some extra virgin Greek olive oil in a deep frying pan over medium heat, and cook the leek and fennel until soft, about 8 minutes. In the meantime, chop the spinach. Add the chopped garlic to the leek fennel mixture, then add the spinach in batches if necessary, and cook until it's wilted. Season with salt and pepper. Chop 2 to 3 frozen defrosted artichoke hearts and add them to the spinach mixture. Cook for a few minutes and turn off the heat. Add chopped fresh dill to the mixture. Finally, grate lemon zest into the pan and crumble the feta into the mixture too. Cut pockets into the thickest side of each chicken breast. Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit and oil a baking dish. Season everything with salt and pepper. Stuff the pockets generously with some of the mixture. Whisk together Greek honey and yogurt, mustard, salt, pepper, and olive oil, and a little fresh lemon juice. Secure the chicken breast pockets closed with a toothpick and place in the baking dish. Brush some of the yogurt marinade over the chicken. Add any remaining filling to the pan around the chicken. Cut a sweet potato into cubes. Cut the remaining artichoke hearts into chunks. Toss them both together with the remaining yogurt, honey, mustard mixture. Season everything with salt and pepper and a little olive oil. Spoon the mixture around the chicken breasts. Bake for about 40 minutes or until the chicken is tender. Enjoy a great one-pot meal.